Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we are going to do a short practice that will help you to find some relief if you are suffering from congestion due to sinus or cold. Once you are ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going. Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We are going to start with something called Kapalrandhra Dhauti, which is basically a facial massage to cleanse our sinuses in the face. So let's start by bringing both the thumbs on our temples, and we are just going to start massaging the forehead from side to side. So we are going to take the fingers and gently and firmly glide them across the forehead. You also have the option of gently just pressing the fingers if gliding is not comfortable for you. Let's do a couple of more rounds and relax. Now we are going to take both the thumbs and place them on the inside of our nose, at the top of the bridge of our nose, and we'll take the other fingers, placing them just above the eyebrows, and we are going to gently start pressing the fingers out along the arch of the eyebrow. Gently pressing it out. Last time. And relax. Now take the first two fingers, we are going to place them on the inside of our eyes, and we are going to start gliding the fingers out towards the temples. So place them at the center and glide them out. Place them at the center and glide them out. A few more. Last one. And relax. Now place both the index finger at the just above the nostrils on either side of the nostrils, and we are just going to start rotating the fingers in one direction first, forward a few times, and then we are going to go back. And relax. Again, take the first two fingers, place them at the same point, and we are going to glide them out towards the ears. Last time. And relax. So that should feel good in just massaging the sinuses. And now let's start with some asanas. So drop the head towards the right side. You can take the left hand behind the back, gently pressing the head towards the right, maintaining that stretch for 3 deep breaths. And release, other side. Dropping the head to the left, taking the right arm behind the back. Now from here, we are just going to roll the head back and bring it to the right. And again, roll it back, bring it to the left. So just doing these half circles. Couple of more. And come back to the center. Now let's walk the right hand to the right. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. Getting a stretch along the left side of the body. Staying here for 3, 2, 1. And then start rotating the arm in backward direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back to center. Other side. Walk the left hand to the left. Inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, bend towards the left. Keeping chest open, getting a stretch along the right side of the rib cage. Breathing into that opening. And let's start rotating the arm in backward direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Now take the left foot behind and bring your legs so that they are at almost a 90-90 angle at the knees. We are going to twist towards the right side so that our torso is facing the knee, right knee. And we are just going to walk forward, coming into a forward fold. Getting a gentle stretch in the lower back, hips, outside of the right thigh. And come up. Let's do it on the other side. Bring the left foot close to the right knee, maintaining a 90-90 angle at the knees. Twist to the left, and we are just going to walk forward, torso in line with the left knee. Breathing into that stretch in the lower back, left hip, left thigh. And come up. Great. Now from here, let's come into a tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees below the hips, looking forward. We are going to inhale, lift the tailbone up, dropping the belly, extending the spine, looking up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone in, rounding the back, chin to chest. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, rounding the back. Couple of more at your own pace. And come to center. Now from here, we are just going to walk the hands forward and come all the way down onto our belly. And keeping hands near the shoulders, we are just going to lift up, coming into our baby Cobra Pose. Getting a gentle opening in the chest. If staying in Cobra is difficult, you can bring the elbows down, coming into your Sphinx pose. Staying here for a few deep breaths. Now we are going to come all the way down. Extend the left arm towards the left side, and we can bring the right hand near the right shoulder, bend the right knee, and we are going to take it towards the left side, opening towards the right. Getting a gentle opening in front of the left side of the chest. And come back. Other side, extend the right arm towards the right. Bend the left knee, take it towards the right side, opening to the left. And come back. Push up, coming back into your tabletop position. Tuck your toes in. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, we are going to lift the hips up, coming into our downward facing dog. So right now, let's just keep our knees bent, heels raised, and just focus on gently extending the spine, pressing the chest closer to the thighs, lifting the tailbone up. Staying here for 5 deep breaths. And if you like, you can always paddle the knees if that feels good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And gently bring the knees down. From here, let's just walk the hands forward and come into our child's pose. Today, trying to keep the knees together so that you get a stretch in your middle back and back of the ribs. Breathe into that opening. Let's bring the right arm under the left, needling it under, getting into a twist. And release, other side, left arm under the right. And come back and walk the hands back. Take both the hands behind the hips, and we're just going to press the chest forward, maybe tilting the head back, opening the chest. Breathing into that expansion in the chest. And relax. Great. Let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Bring both the hands together at heart center in Namaskar Mudra. Thumbs gently pressing at the heart center, the sternum. And we are going to take a deep breath in, chanting Omkar 3 times. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti. Gently start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Place the palms over the eyelids, absorbing the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly pat your entire face with the palms, neck, chest, and bring the hands down and open your eyes. So I hope you enjoyed this practice. I'll see you soon with something new. Till then, take care, rest well, stay hydrated, and bye-bye.